Today I'm making a simple Dutch oven bread. It uses very little yeast, comes together with minimal effort, and bakes into a crusty loaf with a soft, chewy center. I am starting with 3 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. This recipe is very forgiving, so you don't need anything fancy here. For yeast, I use just half a teaspoon. The long rest time is what develops the flavor, so a small amount is all you need. I add a couple teaspoons of salt, 1 1/2 cups of warm water, and stir until everything comes together into a round dough. It won't look smooth, but that's exactly how it should be. Mixed, I cover the bowl and let it rest. This slow rise is what builds structure and flavor. I usually let it sit for a minimum of 3 hours, but you can go all the way up to 12 hours depending on the temperature in the room. After the dough has risen, I turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. It will be soft and a little sticky. I gently form it into a round shape, making the top nice and smooth and pinching it together at the bottom and trying not to press out too much air as I go. The Dutch oven goes into a hot oven to preheat. This traps steam while the bread bakes, which helps create a crisp crust. Once the Dutch oven is ready, I carefully transfer the dough inside, cover it, and return it to the oven. It bakes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, covered first. Then I remove the lid and let it bake uncovered until the crust turns a deep golden brown. When the bread comes out of the oven, it needs time to cool. This helps the inside finish setting and improves the texture. If you can wait, it makes a noticeable difference, but my kids were hungry for some bread, so I cut into mine right away. This kind of bread is simple, reliable, and worth returning to. It doesn't take much effort at all, just a little time, and it's something I make quite often.